This is the fourth video of important questions for B1 GESE Grade 5 speaking and listening exam, and we are discussing about the conversation phase topics. We have already done a couple of these topics, and if you haven't watched my previous videos, I would highly suggest to watch them first and then come to this one. So we are trying to cover all 6 topics in these videos. At the same time, I would like to remind you that B1 is a test which is required for indefinite leave to remain applications and British citizenship or naturalization applications. So both of them require B1 in life in the UK. So because this is a B1 series of videos, so I'm going to talk about B1 only, not life in the UK. But if you have any questions about life in the UK, I have separate videos for them, so I do suggest to watch them as well. Okay, so in this video, let us see what we are going to talk about. As you can see that we are going to talk about entertainment here, which includes DVDs, movies and films. So these are the 3 topics which I have already made videos on. So if you want to get more practice, then watch these videos over and over again. So I'm going to cover all of these. So this is the 4th one in this series. So entertainment is something that is also included in conversation phase topics, and as you already know that in conversation phase there are 6 topics, and the examiner chooses any 2 of them and talks about them, asks you questions. The important thing is that you don't know which 2 topics will be chosen by the examiner, so that means you have to prepare all of them so that you can answer any 2 chosen topics in the exam. So let us see what kind of questions can be asked on this topic. So let's jump onto that. Before the questions, just have a look at this. I mean, these pictures just give you an idea what type of entertainments are included. So DVDs and going to the cinema, films, movies. So these are some of those things that will be included in the questions. Our first question is, what is your favorite type of entertainment? So the favorite type of entertainment means that whether you like to watch films, DVDs, dramas, or others stuff like going to the cinema, watching at home. But don't say that your favorite entertainment is fishing, because that is not included here. Obviously that is an entertainment, that is, but this is particularly about the TVs and dramas and operas and soaps and DVDs. Okay, so what is your favorite type of entertainment? So you could say my favorite type of entertainment is watching movies in the cinema, if you like that, on the big screen, or watching movies at home with my family, or watching shows, TV shows, whatever you sorry, whatever you like, you have to mention that, and the rest of the questions would be about that. And when the examiner is happy, he can or she can ask you some questions about some other activities, like the ones that you don't like. For example, if you like TV shows, then examiner might ask you about films and dramas and other entertainment on the TV and electronic media. So this is how it happens. Who is the most popular entertainer in your country? So this means either a pop star or or an actor or an actress, or anyone who appears on the big screen or the small screen. So you could say the most popular person in my country is A, B, C, D, whatever his name or her name is, and then mention, for example, let's say he's or she's an actress, so I would say he's one of the top actors in my country, and he has played so many different roles, and I like his acting or her acting. That is very, very real, lifelike acting, and he is very, very popular in my country. Are there lots of celebrities, famous people from your country? Yeah, you can say, yeah, there are many people who are famous in the film industry. Um, for example, and then after, for example, you can name those. I don't want to name any because I don't know much about these people. So, and also I don't want to mention any name because I don't want to limit you to specific names here. You know better than I do who is the most popular celebrity in your country in terms of appearing on the big screen, the small screen, or in even in concerts and shows and all that. Do you have a favorite TV show? If you have, you can say yes. I have a favorite TV show that is ABC show, and I like it because it is really entertaining. It's funny. It's informative as well. See that? There is no ABC show. You can write a name. Oh, to be honest, I don't watch TV. I don't have a TV at home, so I don't know about TV shows. If you know about TV shows, you say that. So that's why I said ABC. So in place of ABC, you can use whatever show you like and say why. Okay, not only whatever, say why do you like it? What is it? Why do you like it? Do you have a favorite movie? Yes, I have a favorite movie, and then you say the name. So, for example, you could say it is Cold Mountain, or it is The Count of Monte Cristo, or you could say Titanic, whatever you like, okay? And then say why do you like it. For example, I like my favorite movie is Titanic, and it's a beautiful love story between two very young and handsome people, and at the same time it reminds of reminds us of an historical event, and so it's a very important event that tells us about how Titanic sank. So something like that, yeah. Do you have a favorite sport? Oh yes, so I forgot to say that when you are talking about celebrities and famous people, you can talk about sports as well, like sports stars. Okay, people like footballers, people like cricketers, people like all kinds of sports person. Do you have a favorite sport? Yes, I have a favorite sport, and it is cricket. Or if it is football, you could say football, table tennis, rugby, whatever you want, horse riding. Do you have a favorite musician or band? Normally, musicians and bands is not included here, but sometimes you never know because it is entertainment. Yes, I have a favorite musician, and my favorite musician is Michael Jackson, or my favorite musician is any other band that you or musician that you know. Favorite band is Beatles or whatever you like, and tell why. Do you read for entertainment? Well, sometimes I do read for entertainment. I like English novels, especially Victorians, and my favorite writer is Charles Dickens. Yeah, like that. Or if you don't read, then you could say, I don't like reading for entertainment because I read enough for college and university. So I don't like reading for entertainment, although I like to watch movies um, that are adopted from books. For example, A Tale of Two Cities, or uh, Great Expectations, or Wuthering Heights. So these are some of the movies as well, but based on the books. Next question is, describe a typical fun weekend for you. So this is very good question in a way that you can make a story and spend enough time here. You could say that a typical weekend would be when we all go to the cinema to watch movies. Sometime we go to the cinema to watch a children's movie with our children. Especially they like 3D, and so that would be a very special weekend when we book online and beforehand go there, have fun, watch movie, eat popcorns, all that stuff. Can entertainment be educational? Means can movies and shows and dramas? Yes, it should be, actually. It should be educational. It should be entertainment as well as educational, because it is a very, very powerful tool to shape people's minds. So I think it should be educational, although there is the element of education, but not always. But I think it should be. Do you think that actors, musicians, athletes make too much money? Well, I think so, and they make too much money. Of course, we can tell from their lifestyles, um, from their means properties, and from the way they travel, the way they live, and all that stuff. Quite a lot of money. They are sometimes we think that they earn too much money, but yeah, I mean, we can't do anything. Do you want to get into the entertainment industry? If you want to become an actor or actress, you can say, or musician, you can say that. Yeah. If you say that yes, then okay, this is how you say. Well, yes, of course, it has been my dream to become an actor, and I have always appreciated, liked um, working in film industry, and if you say yes, then they might ask you, have you ever tried to get into it or no? So then you can say, yes, I have tried and got some response, but still I'm working on it. If you don't want to get into the entertainment industry, then you could say, no, I don't like to do acting or get into entertainment industry myself, but I just like to watch. Yeah, I don't want to be actively involved in that. Who is your favorite celebrity? My favorite celebrity is, and then you can say the name of that person. For example, if you like, Nicole Kidman, I mean, she's my favorite as well. If you like Angelina Jolie, of course, a beautiful woman. Most people like Angelina Jolie. I'm just saying names, but my favorite is Nicole Kidman. Or if you like Brad Pitt or Tom Cruise or who else? Yeah, whatever you like, you can say this is my favorite personality, Al Pacino or whatever. Yeah. Do you think that a kind of entertainment could be harmful or bad? Yes, I think that the element of violence in the films and movies these days is not good, because this is sending a very wrong message to our children and making them immune to violence and abuse. So I think this should be banned, or this should be discouraged. It's not good. We don't know now, but with the passage of time, it will have very, very bad effect on our children and even adults. Do you think that people need entertainment? Of course, entertainment is just like oxygen. You cannot live without it. If there is no entertainment, I mean, the routine would be boring, and boredom is death, to be honest. So entertainment is very, very important for um, for changing the mood, and to relax and to enjoy life. Otherwise, working all the times is not a very good idea. And it is good from health perspective as well. If you are entertained, if you're relaxed, you perform well whatever you do. But if you're not, then it's the opposite. Okay, so that was um, a couple of questions for you. Most of these questions are based on my personal experience as an examiner, and from the Trinity College website, and the information that is provided by my students and my colleagues. So if you still have any question regarding this topic, you can drop me a message in the comment section of my channel, and I'll try to sort that out. Thank you very much. I wish you all the best. Good luck. Bye.